Hello, I'm Zara from Bahrain and you're watching Tazzyphe.
Okay, hey guys, so I know I have not been making really any videos, so I thought I would vlog this little trip thingy that I'm doing. I wasn't really on social media for my other trip earlier this week, which was fine because I wanted some just time, you know, to be with nature and with people that I love and whatnot. But yeah, we're going to Rocky Mountain National Park today, which is like really beautiful. I haven't been there since I was like a kid, so yeah, I'm gonna take you there with me and we're gonna see it. I'm driving over to my friend's house, and so I should be there soon, and so I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Bye bye. Going on our way to go.
Yeah, I don't think
we're gonna stop and get stuff right now.
Recreation.
Hello!
You excited?
Hi YouTubers! I missed y'all.
Priscilla's like the Sun Rec Center.
What? I don't know. No.
I don't want to be on camera.
Came here to this French bakery and we got some quiches.
No, it's delish.
Take the first. Have you had it before?
Yeah.
It's good? Goat cheese?
The like crust is so good too. Yeah, we don't need these.
I'm gonna try some.
Yeah.
We don't need it?
Everybody else, so she always wants to. She like the other day wants.
Wait, Isra, do your impression of the lady from Lagan.
Gory, bory, lori, jory, dory.
Okay, we're in Estes Park. You can see. How do I flip this? I can never figure out how to flip.
OTD.
My dad's turtleneck and just too much swagger.
She got a going on. Salah ad-Din Tasneem with her ribbons. If you can see the white building with the red like roof, that's Stanley Hotel. That's where part of The Shining was filmed, and Dumb and like a scene of Dumb and Dumber as well. So they say it's haunted, and they have like tours.
Basically,
Chillin'?
it's like a hike.
Chillin'?
The stairs, yeah.
Chillin'?
So I want to do that next week.
Chillin'? Chillin'? Oh yeah, like a ball.
Oh, life is good.
YouTubers, Colorado, we have some good burgers in the mountains. We got some good burger joints, and we got some good joints.
Buffalo burgers, bison burgers.
It's so pretty, sometimes it looks fake. It looks like a painting. Yes, we are. Where are we? We're at Rainbow Curve at Estes Park, Rocky Mountain National Park, and it's very beautiful. It's kind of cold right now,
Freezing.
but there's a lot of chipmunks.
Because they're like a miniature squirrel.
I wish I had food. I'll give him some bread. He's cute. Look, here he is. Oh, he's back. Ooh, he has a little chip.
Liberty,
brotherhood from sea to shore.
To the flag of the United States of America, to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. I don't know how to...
Wah, wah, wah. Who's that? Wrong signs? Oh god, it's cold. Oh, there's like hail coming on my face. Hurts. That's cold.
yeah.